He put them darn drops in my eyes, so's I can't see a thing. See?
Look at me. For once, I am bigger than all of you. I am all powerful. I am omnipotent.
Shut up, Morocco.
Okay.
Now, what have you learned?
I learned that I'm really sorry, and that I love Martha more than anyone else in the whole world.
Good. Now you two kids kiss and make up.
Hey, somebody's been drinking out of my toilet.
Somebody's been drinking out of my toilet, too.
Somebody was raised in a barn.
Hey, look! Balls!
Yeah, I know.
What are you two girls up to?
We're earning our Destroy the Evil Laboratory patches.
Sheesh! This is caca. Why do people come here?
You got mad?
You big horn cow! If you don't believe me, why don't you lock me up in the psycho wing of the county jail?
S-H-O-R-T-C-U-T. Shortcut!
Bessie! Where are you, girl? You gonna date with a frying pan? Woo! Big, big, big! Come on, Bessie! I love nature. Gonna get you some breakfast! Come on, Bessie!
Secret. I knew you weren't crazy. You're only crazy about catching criminals.
Thanks, Morocco. By the way, how did you knock down that huge wall?
Simple. I just pulled out the bottom brick.
I can't fix it. I can't fix it.
Little Red Riding Hood.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doo... Cock-a-doo... Ah, forget it.
I love doggies.
Hey, Buffy, want to see something big and slimy?
A frog! A Kenny!
Shake!
As you may know, I am in charge of security for this entire gala. But enough about me. Have you ever considered getting into, undercover work?
I beat up the cat.
I did.
No, I did.
Prove it.
On our next show, vicious overweight chihuahuas and the elderly women who love them.
Vicious overweight women and the elderly chihuahuas that love anorexic chihuahuas and the overweight women who make them wear vicious sweaters.
This time, I'm going my way.
Good night. Granny?
Think fast. Think what?
I thought Lincoln was shot.
For the benefit of the viewing audience, a special filter will be applied to the following scenes so our fans may see all the action in total darkness. Thank you.
The shoe! The shoe! Take off your shoe!
Woo! Well, I brought these two dogs. These are, boy dogs. Know how you can tell they're boy dogs? Ooh!
I didn't learn a darn thing. What did you learn?
I learned I like to shake.
Yeah! Tastes like caca.